To play this music is almost like driving Formula One. Everything happens so fast and in such intensity. If you don't give more than everything, you are not getting to the end. The opera is just one of the most difficult theatrical musical pieces ever written. Janáček could do something that a lot of composers would not have courage to even try. The traditional view of opera needs love duets, emotions, kind of very clear directions, who is who. Janáček mixes the characters. You hardly can find anybody who is really good or bad. Nothing would be black and white. Everything is real, like in life. You just see Janáček being able to create a real drama to get us involved for a structure of piece that just cannot work for opera. Janáček is a master of contrast. There are moments when Emilia Marti kind of stops the story remembering her youth, her childhood. And very often she is saying some very difficult things in those moments. For example, being asked about the sense of life, she's saying nothing. And it's accompanied by the most beautiful, lyrical, passionate music. Most of these moments are accompanied by a special instrument, viola d'amore, that creates a very special atmosphere. And all of these moments are extremely beautiful. It's a brilliant and so difficult piece to play.